In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MX records in Cloudflare for Google Workspace. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Cloudflare account and you know which domain you want to set up for Google Workspace email. You'll also want your Google Workspace MX details handy. I'll walk you through the exact places to click and what to enter so your mail routes correctly. Start by opening the Cloudflare dashboard. From the main screen, head to the domains area where all your connected domains are listed, then open the domain you want to use with Google Workspace. On that domain's dashboard, go to the DNS section. This is where all of your DNS records live. If you already see older MX records from a previous email provider, make a note to remove or replace them so they don't conflict, but for now we'll focus on adding the correct Google entry. In the DNS section, open the records view and click Add Record. For the record type, choose MX. That tells Cloudflare you're adding a mail exchange record, which mail servers use to figure out where to deliver messages for your domain. For the name field, use the root of your domain. Most of the time, you can enter the @ symbol, which represents the bare domain, like example.com. If you're routing mail for a specific subdomain, enter that subdomain instead. Next, in the mail server field, enter the Google Workspace mail server. A common primary server is aspmxlgoogle.com. Be sure it's spelled exactly and ends with a dot if Cloudflare asks for a fully qualified name. Now, set the priority. Lower numbers mean higher priority, so the primary Google server usually gets the lowest number, like 1. This helps mail senders try that server first. If you plan to add the rest of the Google servers, you'll repeat this process for each one using the priorities Google provides. You might see a TTL option. Auto is fine for most setups. MX records aren't proxied by Cloudflare, so you won't need to adjust any proxy setting here. If there's a comment box, you can add something like primary Google Workspace MX to keep things organized for future you. Click Save to create the record. That's it. DNS changes can take a little time to propagate, so give it a bit before testing. When you're ready, verify from your Google Workspace admin tools or a DNS lookup to confirm the MX record is live. If you need additional Google MX entries, just repeat the same add and save process with the remaining servers and their priorities.